Hi guys! In this video, we will install latest version of Python, a version 3.14.4 on a Windows 10 PC. But before that, let's quickly check whether Python is already installed on our computer or not. Launch command prompt, then type this command and press enter. If you see this kind of message, it means Python is not installed. To install Python, open any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Python and hit enter. From the results, click the one from python.org. This will take you to the official Python website. Once you're here, look at the navigation bar and click on Downloads. This website automatically detects operating system I am using, which is Windows. So, look for this highlighted standalone download link and click on it. The installer will start downloading, just wait until it finishes. Once download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and locate the Python installer. Then, double-click on it to launch Installation Wizard. When Setup window appears, make sure these two options are checked. For a better setup, choose Customize Installation, ensure all features are selected, then click Next. For advanced options, I highly recommend to select all of them, then click on Install. The installation will begin and may take a while. Just wait until the process is complete. When installation is successfully done, close the installation wizard. To make sure Python is installed correctly, open Command Prompt again and type the same command as before. This time, you'll see Python version details, which means it's successfully installed on this computer. If you want to run Python code, just type Python and press enter. Let's print some text, just for testing purposes. After hitting enter, you will see text show up in command prompt. So, that's how you can install latest version of Python 3.14.4 on a Windows 10 PC.